Wait, if someone asks, tell me about yourself, do you freeze?
Or do you say, my name is, and then your brain stops working?
Don't worry. Today, you will learn how to talk about yourself in English. Easy, simple, and natural.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back.
We are so happy you are here.
Today's lesson is very important. You will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
Yes, this is useful for school, work, IELTS speaking, and daily life.
By the end of this video, you will feel more confident speaking about yourself.
Ready?
Let's start.
So, what does introducing yourself mean?
It means talking about basic things like your name, age, job, hobbies, and more.
And don't worry, we will go step by step.
Very easy, very simple.
Let's start with the most basic introduction.
Listen carefully.
Hi, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm John. Nice to meet you too.
Now let's break it down.
My name is... This is how you say your name.
Or you can say, I'm. It's shorter and more natural.
Example, I'm Mike.
Now it's your turn.
Say, my name is, and your name.
Pause the video and try.
Great. Now say, I'm, and your name.
Next, let's talk about where you were from.
Example,
I'm from Japan.
I'm from Thailand.
Very easy structure.
I'm from plus country or city.
Now you try.
Say, I'm from, and your country.
Nice. Keep going. Now let's talk about your job or study. Example,
I'm a student.
I'm a teacher.
I work in an office.
Important tip.
Use a before jobs.
I'm a student. I'm a doctor.
Student means someone who studies.
Teacher means someone who teaches.
Simple, right?
Your turn again.
Say, I'm a and your job, or I'm a student.
Now it's time to talk about age.
Example,
I'm 20 years old.
I'm 18.
You don't always need to say years old.
Just say, I'm 20. That's okay.
Say your age.
Now the fun part, hobbies.
Yes, things you like to do.
Example,
I like watching movies.
I like playing football.
I enjoy reading books.
Like and enjoy mean the same thing.
After like, use verb plus ing.
Like playing, watching, reading.
Now tell us your hobby.
Say, I like and your hobby.
Now let's see a full conversation.
Listen carefully.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emma. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia. How about you?
I'm from the UK.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I'm a student, and you?
I'm a graphic designer.
That's cool. How old are you?
I'm 24. You?
I'm 22.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies and traveling.
Nice. I like playing games and listening to music.
Did you notice?
They asked simple questions.
Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like?
These are very common questions.
Now it's your turn to speak.
Answer these questions.
What is your name?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you like to do?
Now a challenge.
Try to say a full introduction.
Like this.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Vietnam. I'm a student. I'm 19. I like reading and cooking.
Now you try.
Say everything together.
Don't worry if you make mistakes.
Yes, even we make mistakes sometimes.
Especially before coffee.
True.
Let's review.
To introduce yourself, you can say
Your name, where you were from, your job or study, your age, your hobbies.
simple and easy.
Great job today.
You are improving your English step by step.
Now tell us in the comments.
Introduce yourself in English.
We want to read your introduction.
And don't forget,
Like the video.
share with your friends.
Subscribe for more English lessons.
See you in the next video.
Bye.